Fiber lasers are the latest entry in the laser manufacturing ecosystem. Nowadays, fiber lasers can weld, cut, mark a myriad of goods, ranging from polymers to glass to steel. And they have progressed beyond recognition.
But the key thing here is that lasers are not intelligent. They follow the same strategies and the same rules and the same instructions every single time. What we're developing here in Southampton is adding in intelligence into the lasers.
HIPPO, which stands for High Power Photonics, is a program grant that we got in order to develop the next generation of fiber lasers for material processing and manufacturing. And these ideas were proven to be important for manufacturing and helped us to build up a full program now that concentrates on this new generation of fiber lasers for the advanced manufacturing of the future.
So in manufacturing, the key driver is always productivity and also accuracy. So the ability to find the optimal parameters, the optimal recipe for any given manufacturing task saves a huge amount of money. And most importantly, those engineers are then able to move to different, more creative positions where they can help be designing the laser systems themselves.
As we speak, we are in the middle of a new revolution in photonics laser technology, which is enabled by the introduction of machine learning. And I would encourage everybody to join in, to be excited about it, and give the full range of capability that this technology can offer.